Yo, welcome to the exhaust challenge number 2. Now, we got a challenge. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're back to the Mazda 6. We're gonna give you some exhaust clips. Actually, some revs. Let's go. Some exhaust clips. Y'all ready to hear some vacuum cleaners? That baby sounds so sad, but you're gonna be excited for the next. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we got the 350Z. I know you want to hear the VQ noise. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all ready for some VQ noise? Y'all ready for some noise? That sounds so nice. I love it. Now, next challenger. Boom. All right, y'all ready for the FZ6? We're gonna give you some revs. Let's go. I got too excited.
Yeah.
You paused it right before I did that?
Yeah.
Y'all ready for some rev? Let's go! Woo! So nice! Let's go to the next challenger. For the FZ6, we're gonna give you some revs. Let's go. Ready to hear some beast noise? Then you get it? Some beast noise? All right.